Hello and welcome to Tanuj here. Take time to enjoy the things that make you happy. Discover yourself and find out what you truly desire. Let me show you the things which give me peace and help me in my journey of self discovery. I love listening to music. There is something for everyone and every mood. Let us listen to what I enjoy. Meditation gives me immense peace. It is food for the soul. It gives you a chance to introspect, to stop, and to look within. We don't realize how important it is. Meditation is about becoming more mindful and aware. It helps you connect with your inner thoughts. Only when you know yourself, you can work towards achieving what you desire and what your goals are. Traveling is something which gives me so much happiness. It can be planned or spontaneous. The things you experience and learn while traveling can't be learned through books. These are the experiences that stay with you forever and ever. Figure out what gives you happiness and peace. Indulge in those at least once in a while. Be happy and spread your joy around. This is astrologer Tanuj Lalchandani signing off. Do like, share, and subscribe to the channel.